Hi everyone. In last video, we have seen the different types of Python installation. The first one which we saw is standard Python, for which we will be downloading Python software from python.org. So after downloading, how we will use? So we need code editor to work on Python programming. So that is what we are going to see today. So in this video, we are going to see two editors for using Python. One is VS Code, Visual Studio Code, and PyCharm. I will show you how to install them, set them up, and explain when to use which one. So first we will go with Visual Studio Code. So VS Code or Visual Studio Code is a lightweight and powerful code editor developed by Microsoft. It is free, fast, and supports thousands of extensions. Most Python developers use VS Code for everyday coding because it is simple and extremely customizable. So to download VS Code, we need to open your browser and go to official website. Just we need to search VS Code download on Google. So we need to click code.visualstudio.com download. So once it is clicked, so it will go to the official website. We need to check which version you are using, Windows 10 or 11, and you need to download the file based on your version, whether you are using Windows or Linux or Mac. Based on that, you can install it. Let me download this one. Click on download. Okay. So it is getting downloaded. So download has been completed. Just click on it. So it will show you. Click on run now. Click on yes now again. So you need to click on I accept. Next, next, next. And we need to create desktop icon for faster retrieval. So you will not wait for searching this. So directly you can see this icon in desktop. You can double click and you can work on it. And these two are default additional icons which they have selected. So let it be auto selected. So now click on next, install. So this will be installed in a few seconds itself. So we'll wait for some more time. Yeah, it is completed. Now we need to click on finish to launch the Visual Studio Code. So it is getting launching. The first time it will be looks like this window. This is how it will look. And you have a two tab. One is welcome and release note. What are the release happened in October 2025? So it will be mentioned here. And once you install, so you need to go to the left side tab. You have many options like GitHub addition, GitHub extension. You can work with Gemini and agent sessions, and we have a run and debug uh, when you're typing code. And this one is source control. So the source control is nothing but the folders. This is explorers and search bar, and the main is we need extensions. So in that you need to search for Python. So Python by not this one. So this is the Python supported by restart extensions. So it is done. So what we can do is like no. So we can create a new file called Python file and just type print hello. And you need to save this first. So you need to go to that's it. We need to add this one. Terminal you need to add. This is the terminal. Click on new terminal. Okay. So here you need to type Python space first dot py. Is saved in this one, so it is running in C users and CRCLU. So what we can do, we can save it in a good path which we can move into, or you can copy this and paste it in CRLCU, or directly we can add it here on second. One drive options. Copy it and paste it directly in CRLCU and add. And a CRLCU, let it will check this python.py is there. Okay, first that is there. So again, we can run it and check. Yeah, see here, the path is wrong. So that's why we got no such file or directory placed. So what I did, I copied from this path to this path and it is running. So better, you can create a folder and you like open folder or in downloads. What you can do, you can right click here, create first and select this folder. Okay, under this folder you can create, see here, just type first dot py. That's it. Now print hello. That's it. And control S, it will be saved. So click on this three dots, terminal, new terminal. This will be there in exact correct path. Under this downloads, I created first folder. Under first folder, we are running Python space first.py. See here, the output comes now. So always you need to use. And one more thing, in upcoming video we will be seeing, for everything you need to create an virtual environment so it will not disturb any other folder or project which you are working. So each project works under and each virtual environment. So that's all about Visual Studio. Now we are moving into PyCharm. So this is another code editor. So that also you need to go to Google, just type PyCharm. So this one is built by JetBrains. It is more powerful than VS Code, but also a bit heavier. So it is mainly used by professional developers and data scientists because it provides advanced features out of the box. So in this, we have two versions in PyCharm. So one is Community Edition, which is free of cost, and we have Professional Edition, and it is paid, includes web development and database tools also will be added. And for Python beginners, as we are a beginners, which we are starting our career, so we'll go with the Community Edition, which is more than enough. And we have entered into the JetBrains PyCharm. So you need to click on download. So if you download it, this is getting downloaded, almost going to complete. I already downloaded this PyCharm. Just I'll show you how to work on it, how to install everything. So it is got downloaded. Click on it. So click on S now. So this is the setup page which will get open. Click on next. And this is the path which we are going, and it requires 3.4 GB. And here also you can change the destination folder if you want. Click on next. And if you need a desktop icon, this one you need to add, and always use this .py update path variable. So add this PyCharm bin folder into the path, which will be helpful for always, which we discussed in last video when we installed Python to the path. So click on next, and you need to click on install. That's it. So as I already installed in my system, so I'm not installing here. So once installation gets completed, so you will open like this way, and you can choose whether dark or light theme. So this is light theme and dark theme, and ID also. You can change the font size, and this is the way. And once it is open, click on again new project, and you need to give Python project name. So ND my proj, or you can go with downloads itself. C, can go with downloads. Click on OK. Under this downloads, we are going to create first proj. And this is the virtual environment which I told you. So you need to use virtual environment and you need to give virtual environment name. Click on create. Let's see the project, not so main.py it is came, and you need to delete this one and type print hello. And here also we have a terminal. So just type python main.py and you got the results. So it looks similar, right? So which one you should use? So you need to choose accordingly. So first we saw as VS Code, which is best for beginners, fast and supports everything. Next, second one is PyCharm community, best for large Python projects, more professional tools. And in previous video, we saw about Anaconda installation. Once Anaconda installation done, open it and go to Jupyter Notebook. So you can work through Jupyter Notebook. And fourth one, we have a Google Colab. Directly type Google Colab in Google. Just go with Google Colab, sign in, and the Google Colab will be opened, and you can directly start working on Google Colab directly with your Python codes. So for learning Python basics and VS Code is perfect. And if you don't have much, what to say, excellent desktops or tools, like you don't have RAM or memory, or you are waiting for a laptop to purchase, so you can use any type of laptop or desktop you have, and Google Colab will be used in your mobile too. Okay, so choose yourself. So now you know how to install VS Code, PyCharm, and set them up for the Python, and you know which tool you will prefer to start your Python career. So in upcoming video, we are going to start writing Python code and understand how programs work. Thank you.